It's Thanksgiving Day, so I'm going to try to repair this thing quick. All right, and what we're going to be using is this little tubeless repair kit. All right, so next I'll just pressurize the tire. Just going to go around with some soapy water and try to find where it's actually leaking. All right, so I made a slight modification to the tool. I just cut the middle of it out. All right, now I'll push this in. All right, I'll get that one in there. All right, a little bit of work, but we got the plug in there now. All right, got pressure in the tire, no leak. All right, there we go, down on the ground, full weight, all done.